Well, hello again, Olympia Brown Elementary students and families. This is Principal Zach Jacobsmeier, and I would like to welcome you to our fourth video newsletter of the school year. For those of you who have had a chance to take a look at our newsletters this year, I hope that you found value in them, and I hope that you feel more informed about all the events and happenings in our lovely Olympia Brown Elementary School community. If you would too, I would really appreciate it if you could tell one other person about our video newsletters. We'd like to spread the word as much as possible and get viewership up as high as possible so we can have everyone informed in regards to what's going on our campus. Today is Friday, October 2nd, and it is just before 2 o'clock. Today is a PBIS Fun Friday here at Olympia Brown. If you are not aware, our PBIS Fun Fridays are reserved for students who are significantly exceeding our expectations when it comes to being safe, being responsible, and being respectful and kind. And we're going to call our winners down here in just a little bit, and they will head to the field house. 3 winners from each classroom will head to the field house, have a chance to be with others who are exceeding expectations, and we'll have a chance to get in some physical activity. So that will be starting very shortly. I'd also like to make you aware of next week and what that looks like for O Brown. On Monday, it is actually a pretty busy week. On Monday, we have the watershed field trip for 2 of our 4th grade classrooms. That is room 250, Mrs. Bauman, and room 252, Mrs. Dobson. They are headed to the watershed for the field trip, and they will be leaving right around 8:30 in the morning. On Tuesday is a pretty big day for us. We have our all-school evacuation drill to the Sienna Center, which starts at 8:30 a.m. So once students come in, get situated, we do lunch count and attendance. We will then begin to make announcements, and students will start to head over to the Sienna Center starting at 8:30. Also on Tuesday the 6th, at 1 o'clock, we will have the NED Show. The NED Show is an assembly that we have scheduled for our school that has an anti-bullying message. We've had NED here in the past, and it's been a great time for our students, so we know that they'll enjoy the assembly once again on the 6th. The 7th is another busy day for us. On the 7th, the kindergarten classrooms, all 3 of our kindergarten classrooms will be going to Swan's Pumpkin Farm from 9:30 until 12:45, and our 5th grade classrooms will be taking another field trip on Wednesday. They will be headed across town to the Golden Rondelle. So 5th grade, you will be going to the Golden Rondelle next week from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. On Thursday, October 8th, our peer mediators will be going with Mr. Thorson over to Julian Thomas. So our peer mediators will be headed over to Julian Thomas. Also next week, to round the week out on the 9th, is the other date for our watershed field trip for our other 4th grade classroom. Room 254, that's Mr. Smith's class. You will be headed to the watershed on that date, leaving right around 8:30. So we have a pretty busy week at Olympia Brown next week, the 5th through the 9th. As always, there's quite a bit going on, so go ahead and give us a call in the main office if you have any questions, 262-664-6650. I'd also like to bring to your attention just a couple of items before I sign off here. One, if you are visiting our school, please remember that it is district policy to sign in the office and grab a visitor's badge. So please get signed in our office and grab a visitor's badge before you make your way down to a classroom or to visit a teacher or whatever it may be. Also, last thing is the weather is starting to turn just a little bit. It's getting a little cooler outside, so please make sure that students here at school have proper jackets and proper attire as the weather gets a little bit cooler. If that's something that you need help with, give us a call again in our main office, 664-6650, and we can certainly help you with that as well. Again, I hope you appreciate our video newsletters, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you next week. Have a great weekend.